In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to RSVP to an event in Skool. We'll walk through the process from start to finish so you can confidently mark your spot and get reminders before the event begins. Let's begin at your computer or mobile browser. Open your preferred browser and type Skool into the search bar. You're looking for the official Skool website. It should be the top result, and you'll typically see the domain that clearly references Skool's platform. Click that result to head to the site. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log in. Use your existing account credentials. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken straight to your community dashboard. If not, complete the sign-in and you'll land there shortly after. From your dashboard, head to the Calendar tab. You'll usually find it along the top or side navigation. This is where all upcoming community events are organized. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout. You can usually toggle between different views and move forward or backward in time to see what's coming up. Now, browse the calendar to find the specific event you want to attend. Look for the title and date that match what you're expecting. When you see it, click the event to open its details. This page is important. Here you can confirm the date, start time, time zone, and any notes from the host. If there's a meeting link or location, it will be listed here too, so it's a good idea to review everything carefully to avoid confusion later. Here's the key part. In Skool, the primary way to RSVP and make sure you don't miss the event is by adding it to your personal calendar. Inside the event description, click the Add to Calendar button. This is what effectively serves as your RSVP because it puts the event on your own calendar and enables reminders. When prompted, choose your preferred calendar service. You can pick Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, Outlook, or Yahoo, whichever you use every day. Your browser may ask for permission to open the calendar app or website. Approve that, and you'll see the event pre-filled with its title, date, time, and description. Finally, click Save. Before you finalize, double-check the time zone and adjust it if necessary. Consider setting a reminder alert. Many people like a 10-minute and a 1-hour warning so nothing slips through the cracks. Once saved, you're all set. The event will now appear on your calendar, and you'll get notifications based on your settings. That's it. You've successfully RSVP'd to a Skool event by adding it to your calendar, ensuring you won't miss a thing.